Diddy gets 4 years in prison in court sentencing. Diddy sentenced to 4 years of jail after pleading later to judge. Sean Diddy Combs has officially been sentenced to serve just over 4 years in federal prison, closing a long and emotional chapter in his criminal case. Judge Around Sermon handed down the 50-month sentence on Friday, a punishment that landed between what prosecutors and Diddy's defense team had been fighting for. TMZ confirmed. Prosecutors had pushed for 11 years while Diddy's lawyers asked for a 14-month term. Along with the prison time, he has also been ordered to pay a 500,000 fine, so the judge decided not to impose restitution. Before announcing the decision, judge took a moment to acknowledge the woman who came forward to testify. To Miss Ventura and other brave survivors that came forward, I want to say first, we hear you, he said, addressing their painful testimonies directly. The sentencing had stretched across several hours and was packed with emotion. Prosecutor criticized Diddy for booking a public appearance in Miami next week, painting him as a unremorseful, while his legal team leaned heavily on personal character witnesses. His attorneys even played a nearly 12-minute video in court showing him as a father and community figure and highlighting heartfelt pleas from his 6 children begging for their dad's return. The emotional moment brought Diddy to tears as he quietly wiped his eyes with a tissue. When it was his turn to speak, the Bad Boy record founder stood before the court and delivered his most direct statement yet. He first turned to his ex Casey Ventura, saying, I want to personally apologize again to Casey Ventura for any harm or hurt that I have caused her, emotionally or physically. I would like to apologize to her family. I am so sorry. He also addressed another victim who testified under the pseudonym Jen, saying he never meant to hurt her and was sorry for pulling her into his mess, calling his own behavior disgusting, shameful, and sick. Diddy admitted he had failed his family, his community, and himself. He turned to his children and mother in the courtroom, saying they deserved better. I failed you as a son, and I am sorry, he told his mother before reflecting on his in the freedom, business reputation and career he has lost. Acknowledging his main eight convictions, Diddy told the court he fully understands the seriousness of the crime and accepts responsibility. There's no one to blame here but myself, he said, asking the judge for mercy and for a chance to be a father and community leader again. He added, one of the hardest things I have had to handle is having to be quiet, not being able to express how sorry I am for my actions.